Hey guys, it's that time of the year again. Should I be saying of the year? It feels like we moved every year in the past couple of years. But yeah, so we're ready to start setting up the new place little by little. So like most of the things we ordered are not here yet, but some things have recently come in. So yeah, time to start putting them together. So yes, exciting times. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so you guys, we just finished assembling our guest room bed. We got the bed frame and the mattress from Sonno. You guys, it is absolutely amazing. Like, it feels so good. I just know a good night's sleep is guaranteed, like, for real. Like, the quality is amazing. So good. Anyway, excited to give my guests a good night's sleep in our new bed. You guys, I feel so excited. Like, I feel like this is like the last room in this house that we are sort of like low-key abandoned for a bit. So yeah, it feels good to finally like be getting it set up and, you know, getting it arranged and good to go. So yeah, super excited. Anyway, I don't know what our first guest will be, but if you guys want to come over, hola at me, okay? But yeah, we're still going to like switch out a couple things around the room and just get, you know, ready to go. But yeah, so excited. Thank you so much, Sonno, for sending this over. It is amazing, and thank you so much. To another episode of our home decor. So today we are basically decorating our hallway, right? It's a little bland at the moment, so we're just looking to like jazz it up a little. So yeah, let's see how we do. I'm going to try to show you guys what it looks like right now, and then of course try to show the process and what we do with it. So yeah, excited to see how it turns out, so let's do it. All these things,
hi guys,
all these things they'll say please do not open with a knife. So what am I supposed to open it with?
your teeth.
And Bob, new scissors. Chop, chop, chop. Hey, Lua.
Must we do?
A few hours later.
You guys, my man did that, okay? So my husband has just finished constructing it. So I'm just going to like wipe it down.
I lost my way somewhere in another galaxy. Too much to take, there's memories and in tragedy. And all of these places, all these faces, I didn't wanna let you down. And all these mistakes of mine, I can.
Hi guys, long time no see. So I just realized I actually forgot to open this box that we were given by the developers when we moved in. So I felt like today is probably like a good day to finally like unbox it. So yeah, let's see what's inside. Anyway, so this company is actually like one of my favorite furniture stores in London. It's very bougie. Like I walked into one of their stores one time when we were trying to like shop for furniture, and it was just so white and so premium. I just knew I was going to walk out of that store without buying anything because I didn't even want to check the prices because it was just looking too premium. Okay, but anyway, I have a box from them, luckily. So yeah, let's see what's in it. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. There's a ribbon over here, so let's open that up. Okay, using this White Company London. Okay, everything is white. Like everything in that store was literally white, that I was scared I was gonna like leave a dent on something. Like it was so cute. Okay, so here's what we have. There's this spray here. I'm sure it smells really good. So they have this fragrance oil collection set. Cute. What's this? Oh, and a new gift set. There's a scented candle, and there's this large box that looks like, oh, a rechargeable electronic diffuser. That is so lovely. And there's a white towel as well. Bougie. White Company is actually like imprinted on it. So nice. Oh, and you guys, so it feels like the living room is finally starting to like come together. So how about we do a quick furnished tour? It's not like done yet. We are still like trying to put some pieces, move some pieces around and all of that, but I think it's mostly ready-ish. But yeah, let's just do a quick furnished living room tour. You guys, my husband literally like outdid himself with the media space because yo, for the life of me I could not, but he really tried. Like I'm so glad with how everything turned out. So yeah, let's look at it. Let's take a quick tour. Okay, so starting with the dining area, we've gone with like a touch of gold here and there. This is the chandelier. Chandelier, I don't know which one is correct, but yeah, I love it so much. I really wanted like a swirl pattern, like, and I got it, and it's quite pretty if I do say so myself. So this is what the dining area is looking like right now, and over here is our media space. You guys, there is like enough going on. Not too much, but just enough going on here. So my husband has his PS5 there. The TV, of course, is over here. Then we have this nano leaf thingy that just spirals down to the TV cabinet. So yeah, that's what we have. And then on this side we have our sofa. You guys, the sofa is huge. But we love it. Like, we didn't want like a small chair, because like we've always had like small chairs in our flats. So this is our chance to have a big sofa, okay? And then we have these coffee tables, and of course my booklet top chair, which is like an accent chair for the room. And over here is still quite unfinished, but I have a full length mirror that I'm going to like unbox and just place here. It's not going to be mounted on the wall, so basically I can move it around for like content and stuff. And then I have this vase over here. I'm still waiting for the flower to come. Excited for how this corner is going to turn out. This is going to be like my little content corner-ish, with the chair and you know all of that going on when it's ready. But yeah, you guys, oh, I love it. Like, I love it. But this media unit is giving me joy. Like, joy. I love it. It makes me feel like I'm in Nigeria for some reason, because like lots of Nigerian like nice homes are designed like this. So this actually feels very much like home. But anyway, you guys, that's what we have so far. I don't know if I'll do an updated tour when everything is complete, but yeah. Okay, so you guys, YouTube sent me a gift box. So it's like a new year gift / end of year gift. So yes, let's open it and see what they sent. We all know that YouTube is that girl, like when it comes to like gifting, throwing parties and all of that good stuff. Like, to be honest, especially Instagram, I don't know what Instagram is doing like when it comes to creators, because like YouTube girlies, I always see them like attending one thing or the other, but like I barely see anything from Instagram. Like Instagram, it's almost like they just really do not care about their creators. I mean, we low-key know that they don't, because I mean, just look at the algorithm. It's such a mess. I mean, YouTube's algorithm like can be a bit, you know, not so good at times, but when it comes to like reaching out to creators, connecting creators with each other and all of that, they are like super active, which is just so nice. You know, it feels actually really good to know that the platform that you're creating for cares about you, and you know, they literally like care about your well-being and all of that. So yeah, it's just so nice to know. Like, every time I get a cute little email from YouTube, it makes me feel valued as a creator, that's for sure. Am I opening this right? Yes, I got it now. Like, it definitely makes me feel valued, you know, like they reach out constantly, they send out surveys very often, you know, asking how are we doing, is there anything you'd like for us to improve, and all of those things are just like super important, you know. Like, okay, so I finally managed to get inside the box. So yep, see, let me try to get this out of the way. Okay, so we have a merch. Okay, so we have, I think it's a sweatshirt. Oh, see the texture. I mean, of course, it's Google. The quality is gonna bang, of course. Oh, nice. So we have this sweatshirt that says YouTube shorts on the side. So it says shorts, basically YouTube shorts. That is so good. Like, the texture of this is like super nice. Love it. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Okay, so there's a smaller box and the big box. So okay, so this is what the smaller box contains. Okay, so there's a beanie, you guys. There's a matching beanie for the sweater. Yummy. Oh, cute. So this, it also says it's YouTube Shorts. Love it. And then the last item in the box is a mug. Super cute. Oh. You guys, I'm gonna be drinking hot chocolates out of this like literally every day. Oh, so cute. And it's red on the inside and black outside. Actually, those colors are not very Nigerian friendly, but it's YouTube, I'll take it. But yeah, you guys, this is super cute. Like
The end.